Welcome, great minds. This Ekende Precious. So, based on the request that you guys said I should do, you said I should make a tutorial of this mixtape cover. So, before we do that, please, I want you to go to the description of this video and go and stream this song, A True Friend's Love by Angela and Favour. Please, guys, I would like you to go to Audiomack and go to Boomplay and stream this song. So without further ado, let's get started. So for you to do a music mixtape or music cover design that pops like this, there are things you need to understand. One, you need to know the actual size, because when you design the size, it's gonna make your work to look good. And also, when this work is being uploaded in the digital platform, it will fit the exercise. So let's get into Photoshop now. So for new file, the actual size for this is 3000 by 3000 pixels. So 3000 pixels. So this is it. Like I promise you guys, this design is not going to take our time, because everything is well explained. If you have been following me, you will know that our designs are not taking much time. Regarding this one, because the request was that I should make a design that will make it to have a feel of love. So these are the backgrounds. Everything that will be needed for this design is being kept in our Telegram channel. So this is the background that I use. As normal, you blur the background. And the next thing you're going to do is to bring in the love. That is the love wallet. Then we come to filter, go to blur, we turn at motion blur. So when we do this, the next thing we're going to do again is to create that stuff like this. Then come to brush. So just come to the same filter, go to the same blur. Having done this, just come here, because I want to give it the exact color stuff so that everything will blend like the other one. Come to color value, then come here. Then the head is gonna be 2, the head is gonna be 10, and here is going to be 32. So what I want to do now is to control here, control T, and rotate. So this one is going to be first here. And let's press Ctrl J again. Press Ctrl T. What we are doing this thing is to make the background solid. So you can see. And under here, let's go back to the background. Reduce this a little bit to have that feel. Alright. Sorry, I'm having call. So after you do this now, the background is ready. So what you're going to do now is just bring in the features. But before that, let me start with the features. So this is the artist. So normally you come to camera roll. Then the next one is to bring in the other guy. So both of them are having the same thing. Let's see here. Okay, so now okay. So the next thing now here is to bring another blending stuff here. So we created a layer that there is nothing here. So we come to create our block. Alright. So you can see now the sandwiches. So I'm down here now. Like this now, this work is already done. So what I want to come now is to add this, their text, their names, and every other thing. You know how to use text effects in designs. Then this is the text effects. If you are normal text effect, what I need is to use separation to change the color to give that white and black stuff. So this was how I was able to actualize this. Then give it a shadow. So what I feel is there was a texture that I added on it that give this shiny stuff. So just come to file, place embed. Then this is it. My body is so dark because of the color and the other images. But this is the start pattern. Then after you have done this, you come here and clean these ones on their face. For their face will be carry that dirty stuff. Control L. So this is how my phone looks like. So after that, you just have to highlight group all of them, Ctrl J, Ctrl E. Then carry it to filter, from filter, camera raw to do the final stuff. So you can see that this design is very easy and straightforward. Remember here now. So here that I finished the button. Have you seen it? So when we saw it, we thought that it was very dark. So this was how I was able to actualize this design. This one. So thank you so much for sticking around till now. If you have not subscribed to this channel, give this video a thumbs up. I still remain Ekendo Precious. I will see you in my next video.